Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, in today's video, I am going to be doing a beautiful fall manicure. I have chosen a color that is in the autumn leaf family, color family. I'm using my Gelin nail kit, which came with some starter polishes and the LED nail polish dryer. And I'm also going to be using the gel nail polish that I bought, the 36 colors. I did show you this in a prior video, but this set just comes with 36 colors, amazing, beautiful colors for all year long. So the one that I'm choosing to do today is this one here. And the number on this one, in case you are wondering, in case you have this set, this is number 249. I do not believe it says the color, but you can see that it is a very beautiful fall color. There are a few others here that would be good for fall. There's this sort of orange color, and this is 248, so it's right in that same family, but I'm going to go with the darker one. There's also a lighter peach color, 247, so these are all in the same family, but I think this is the prettiest fall color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the nails, because I don't want to do them on my natural nails. In fact, I took my nails off this weekend and gave my nails a chance to breathe, which if you are doing these glue-on nails, you definitely should be giving your nails a break once in a while to let them breathe, which I do. So I'm going to put these are the Real Short. These are from Kiss, and they're the acrylic natural. They're just plain nails. So I'm going to glue these on. These are a pretty good length. They're not too long, not too short. They are real short, but they do have some length to them. I'm going to get my super glue. So here's my trusty super glue, the original super glue. It is all I use on my glue-on Kiss nails and my Impress nails. So I'm going to get these on, and then I'm going to polish them. Now there's a top coat and a base coat that I will also be using. So I'll put my base coat on first. This is the base coat. And then I will put the top coat. And we will see how this beautiful manicure comes out. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to choose my sizes with these nails. And then I'm actually going to give my own nails a tiny little buff, just to have a little bit of roughness there so the nails have something to adhere to. And then I'm also going to give the nails themselves a little bit of a buff, because they are very shiny. They're very, very shiny and slippery. I don't know if the top coat will adhere really, really well to these shiny nails. So I'm just going to give them a little bit of a buff. So you'll see me do that. So first I'm going to choose my nails, then I'm going to buff, and then I'm going to get polishing. So I'm going to bring the camera down so that you have a good view of what's happening here. And let's see how they come up.
Show me your soul. Baby, I'll show you mine. Show me your soul. Honey, it's way past time. How expensive do I have to be? Need I spell it out before you get it? don't see. What's yours for the taking tonight? Ooh, show me your soul. Baby, I'll show you mine. Show me your soul. Can't you see it's way past time? How explicit do I have to be? I mean, I spell it out before you get it, baby. Show me your soul. And honey, I'll show you mine. I've been calling my shots down the middle.
All right, guys, I have finished my nails and I think that they came out beautiful. This is kind of like a caramel color. You can see that I can touch them right after I finish. They dry to a very non-tacky feeling. It is kind of like a caramel color, I guess you would call it. It is a little lighter on the nail than it appears in the bottle. I thought that it would be a little darker. I did 3 coats to get it to this color, but I do like it. It's a different color. It kind of matches the shirt I'm wearing in a way, not really, but it has that, definitely has that fall vibe. I really think that this way of doing your nails takes longer, obviously, than just gluing on your kiss nails that are already polished. But it's a different way, and it's time to spend on yourself doing your nails. It took me probably maybe 40 minutes. It is a little longer than doing, you know, than just doing the kiss or the impress. But I do like how they came out. I think they look really cool and really pretty for this time of year. So anyway, guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this gelin nail sort of tutorial. I took you through every step. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along. If you have any questions or any comments, please do leave them in the comments below. And I hope that you will come back. I hope you will subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.